Hey friends, I hope you're doing great. In this video, I'll show you how to create a powerful and eye-catching YouTube thumbnail in just seconds. A thumbnail that makes people stop scrolling and click on your video. A great thumbnail means more clicks, more views, and faster channel growth. Before we design the thumbnail, remember these 3 simple rules. First, keep the text short, just a few strong words. Second, make the text big, bold, and bright on a dark background. Third, always use a person pointing toward the text, and if it's your own photo, that's even better. Follow these rules and your thumbnails will stand out every time. Now let's start creating the thumbnail. To create a thumbnail on your mobile or computer, the first thing you need is the Canva app. If you don't have it installed yet, simply download it from the Play Store or App Store. I've also added the Canva download link in the description, so you can install it from there as well. Once Canva is open, go to the search bar and type YouTube thumbnail. As you can see, Canva shows us many ready-made thumbnail designs. You can choose any design you like and simply change the text to your own. The design is already made, you just customize it. One important thing to remember: don't click on thumbnails that have a crown icon. Those designs are paid and not free. If you see the crown symbol, just skip it. The good news is that there are plenty of free thumbnails available, so there's no need to spend money. You can see many designs here without the crown icon. Choose any one you like. Now let's click on one of these free thumbnails and start editing. Now click on this text and then tap on Edit. Here, type your own text. I'll write my text as YouTube. Next, click on the second text and write your own words there as well. I'll type course. After that, click on it. If you see a crown icon on the image, that means it's not free. It's a paid image. But if there is no crown icon, then the image is completely free to use. If the image is free, or if you upload your own photo from the gallery, your thumbnail is ready right here. Now, tap on the download option at the top, and your thumbnail will be saved to your gallery. So your thumbnail is now complete. Now tap on this image and then tap on the delete option. But if you want to use your own preferred image, you can first save only the background. We're saving the background now. Again, tap on the download option at the top. The background is saved. You can see it in your gallery. To add your own image, open Google and search for a person pointing. From there, you can choose the image you like and use it in your thumbnail. Here, click on any image you like. Once you open it, take a screenshot. From that screenshot, keep only the person and remove the extra parts. After you take the screenshot, next, open the Inshot app on your mobile phone. If you don't have this app installed, go ahead and install it. The download link is also available in the description. Once Inshot is open, import the screenshot image you just took. Once you import the image, tap on the cutout option to remove the background. After that, tap on the HD option, then click Unlock. This will make the image much clearer and sharper. Now, drag this slider to the left until the entire image becomes clean and high quality. When you're done, tap on Export and the image will be saved to your gallery. You can now use this image on any thumbnail background or design you want. Now, go back to the previous screen. Choose any background you like. In our case, we'll select the background we saved earlier from the Canva app. Once the background is selected, tap on the pip option and then import the image we created earlier. Place this image on top of the background. As you can see, I've added the image over the background, and now we have a clean, attractive thumbnail. Once you learn this method, you'll be able to create thumbnails for yourself in just a few seconds. Let me remind you again, there are 3 very important things in every good thumbnail. First, keep the text short. Second, use bright text on a dark background. Third, always include a person's image pointing toward the text. When you focus on these 3 points, you can quickly create a strong thumbnail that gets more clicks, more views, and helps your channel grow. This is a step-by-step YouTube course. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and like the video so we can continue sharing more tips and experience with you.